Good morning class. Welcome to your English grammar session. And today you will be doing the exercises in the discovering book as well as my observation book. Okay, so some of the exercises you must have done after seeing the video, and there was some homework also in those exercises. So we'll discuss that also, and we'll complete the remaining exercises in both our books. So children, before we start the studies, kindly have both the books, the English Discovering book as well as the observation book. Okay, so we'll be doing chapter number 4, that was adjectives. So adjective of quantity, it was when we don't know exact number of something and we cannot count how many things are there with us. So we use adjective of quantity, means how much, some, a little, few. So all these words, all of them, so all these words help us to know that how much is the quantity of anything. And the adjective of number, that tells you the exact number of how many things are there. So as the adjective of number, it answers to the question how many, means we can number it 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And in adjective of quantity, we cannot use the numbers as we don't know the exact quantity of something. So that would answer to a question how much. And how much is something that relates to uncountable nouns. So when we don't know the exact quantities of some things, we use how much, and these are for uncountable nouns. An adjective of number can be used for countable nouns. So let's begin with exercise. This is practice zone 2, question number 3.
Now in this, children, what we have to do is we have to choose the words much, many, a lot or a lot of to fill in the given blanks. So we are not going to do the entire exercise over here. I'll just help you with the starting 5, A, B, C, D and E, and rest you are going to do. So here the word much. This word much is used for uncountable nouns, and many is used for countable nouns. Then a lot tells us when we have very much of something or we do something very often, means हम बहुत regularly कोई चीज़ करते हैं. So that time we use a lot, and a lot of can be used with countable noun as well as uncountable noun. But we have to see to the lot can be made, means a bundle can be made of the things. So we have dash mangoes. We have much mangoes, many mangoes, a lot mangoes or a lot of mangoes. So here you can write we have many mangoes, but that won't suit as mangoes can be counted. So we will use a lot of mangoes, as we can separate the mangoes making a bundle. We don't have dash oranges and we don't have dash fruit juice. So for oranges, what we are going to do? Now here it was we have. So we used a lot of. Here we don't have. So much cannot be used as oranges are countable. So what we are going to do is we are going to use many. We have many oranges. We don't have many oranges, and we don't have. Now juice cannot be counted. So it is uncountable. So it will be much. Do you have any rice? Now rice, make sure is uncountable. Sure. There's dash in the kitchen. Now there's much in the kitchen. No. There's many in the kitchen. It is uncountable. There's very much in the kitchen. It can be, and a lot of. There is a lot of in the kitchen cannot be, because a lot, जैसे कि मैम ने आपको बताया, a lot is used for very much, and a lot कभी भी किसी noun के पहले नहीं आता है, but a lot of has noun after it. So it will be a lot of mangoes. So here noun is there. तो जब noun आएगा then a lot of will be used and a lot will not have a noun after it. So what is saying? Yeah, sure there is dash in the kitchen. Now in is not a noun. So अगर यहाँ rice होता, there's dash rice in the kitchen, so we would have written a lot of rice. But अभी हम लिखेंगे सिर्फ a lot in the kitchen. How dash is this for? It's $5. So when we count money, we count it as uncountable, so we have written much. How dash do you want? 3 please. Now 3 is something that can be counted. So this is a question. So how many do you want? Now these I am not doing, as you can do it as a homework, or else you must have done it before. Now children, what you have to do in this exercise is, you have to find the different 4 adjectives from the chapter. So out of which I have written sad, glad, dull and frown. And using these adjectives we have to frame different sentences. तो make sentences की तरह हमें sentences बनाने हैं. So first is, he looks sad as he has lost his job. Next, I was glad to see my friend at the party. Then she looked dull as she had fever. Last is, we should not frown over little things. हमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे फ्राउन नहीं करना चाहिए. So these, now you have to use different adjectives and you have to write a name of a friend. So I have written helping, caring. You can write over here generous, funny and smart. And you can write the name of any friend. So this, after this we'll directly move to page number 44. You have been given some words over here and उनके meaning वाले words are given in these circles. So what you have to do is, you have to read these words and you have to fill the exact word in the given blanks. So wicked means unkind, pretty means beautiful, tidy, neat, difficult, hard, wealthy, rich, silent, quiet, easy, simple, happy means cheerful. Now on page number 45, what you have to do is, you have been given different sentences. You have to mark the adjective in the given sentence and you have to write the opposite of those sentences. So Sunny's bicycle is old but yours is new. So Sunny ki bicycle is old. Old is an adjective and old ka opposite new. A feather is light but a stone is heavy. So light is an adjective, it describes feather, and heavy describes stone. Marble is smooth. Again, the word smooth describes marble, but sandpaper is rough, which is the opposite of smooth. We enjoy cold drinks in summer and hot drinks in winter. So the cold drinks describe the types of drinks we have in summer and hot drinks describe the type of drinks we have in winter. Now you have been given some numbers as well as some adjective of quantity or this adjective of number. So you have to choose the appropriate one and fill in the given blanks. So Sabina woke up dash in the morning. So morning kab hoti hai? 3 o'clock is night. 7 can be the answer. A little no, some no, 1 is night. So she woke up at 7 in the morning and put the kettle with dash water. Now a little water can also be written. So but some can also be written. So I have written some to boil. After a dash minutes. Now minutes can be counted 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So few is the correct word. This option few is the correct one for minutes as it is countable. The kettle whistled loudly and Sabina switched off the gas. She poured water into dash cups. Now it can be 3, 7 is already done and 1. 1 nahi aa sakta because it is cups. S is there at the last. So it will be 3 cups. Then she heated some milk in the pot and then poured it into the cups. So water, milk is some because it is an uncountable noun. Next she took a little. Now sugar is uncountable, children. So again a little sugar and stirred it in the cup. She took 3 tea bags and dipped them one in each cup. Now each cup tells me cups नहीं है यहाँ पर, cup है. So one in each cup. She put the cups and some biscuits on the tray and called her friends, tea is ready. Now biscuits can be counted. So we can write a few biscuits and some biscuits. Both are correct. Okay. Now here are different lines given to you. On the basis of these lines, you have to choose whether Jack and Tom have which quality they have. According to these lines, which quality do they have? So first is Jack always makes everyone laugh. Now you will not draw the lines as it looks very untidy, children. So the person who makes laugh is funny. So I have written A over here. Then Tom is happy to help others. So the person who helps others is very kind. Jack shares his toys with his friends. So sharing, the person who possesses the quality of sharing is he is very generous. Okay. Then Jack takes care of Tom likes to draw and color. So Tom is very creative. Jack takes care of the things and keep them safe. So the person who takes care of his thing is very careful with everything. Tom can reach the top cupboard easily. So Tom is very tall. Jack can lift heavy things. So he is very strong. Tom likes to study regularly. So he is very efficient. Now after this we will directly move to the MCQ part. So in the poem we learned that friendship is valuable. The poet makes the use of dash to describe friends. Now the word describe here tells me that describing words will come. So pronouns no, verb no, adjectives. The word mull means to think over something. Friends are a treasure because they have lots of dash for us. So they have value, money or goodies. They have value for us. In the poem, the word which relates to enjoyment हमें treasure, no, pleasure, yes. Life becomes meaningful when friends are there to dash with us. Share and care or talk and act. Share and care. A spider has 2 legs, no. Some legs, no, because they can be counted. So it is 8. I baked the cake with dash eggs. 4 eggs, little eggs, good eggs. Little cannot be the answer because eggs are countable and good eggs means nothing. So it will be 4 eggs. Adjectives of quantity are used for describing things which are difficult to think, do or count. Adjective of number answers to the question. ये मैम ने आपको लास्ट सेशन में बताया था. Adjective of number आंसर देता है how many, how much, how are you or how good. So it tells how many. Okay, and how much is given. The answer of how much is given by adjective of quantity. So children, this is all for today. With this we end to our chapter number 4. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.